So this marks the 1 week of wearing a hair system, and this particular hair system was sent out by Super Hairpieces. Very, very kind customer support. I love them. This is the M103 and 11B color, and yeah, so this is what it looks like, the hairpiece, and it looks pretty real. It looks pretty legit. I have no complaints on the realism of the piece. So let's start off with the only con. So the only con that I have to say is it's not even really bad. It's the second day when I put it on, I actually just noticed a little bit of lifting, but that's it. That's like literally the only thing. And as you may have guessed, I use tape, so I couldn't use any glue to glue it down. And it was brand new, so I didn't put new tape on, obviously. So I just let it sit down, and it stuck back on, and I haven't had any issues with it taking a shower after that. And I go to the gym almost every day, 6 days a week, so it sticks on even when I sweat, which is the best part about this hairpiece. And it feels as if there is nothing on my head. So if you guys were questionable about whether or not like the hairpiece, you can feel it, if it hurts, if it itches, it does not. It's almost as if like you don't even know it's there. It's like your own hair. Another thing is, another pro is, now that it's winter time, when you go outside, it's like your head is not as cold. I just wanted to get that out of the way. But when it's summer, I haven't experienced it in summer yet, but that's gonna be a new experience. But as a winter, it is the perfect thing. Like as a gift, this is so good. So what I use to take it off is C22 solvent, just to lift the hairline, and skin prep, just prep the scalp. And then I use Extend-A-Bond strips. These strips are the best because they don't irritate, and they obviously make the hair stick on my scalp. It's already been a week, so very good. So yeah, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend Super Hairpieces. If you want, just hit them up. They sent me out this piece, and I definitely recommend. It's very good. The hairline also looks pretty real, and yeah, I love it. And this is the 120 density, so it's real thick. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like from the back, from the top, from the front, and from the sides. So yeah, thank you, Super Hairpieces. Appreciate it, much love, and hope to keep buying from you guys and hopefully get another piece soon.